This is the video for Unit 6, Day 7, and today's video is dedicated to Ishmael in 6B. What up, Ishmael? Today we're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. These right here, when you have like 3 1/2 and 4 2/3, these are mixed numbers. So here's how we multiply them. Step 1, right here, it says convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let's do that right now. Remember, an improper fraction is when the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So for 3 1/2, we'll multiply the denominator 2 times 3 and add it to the numerator, which is 1 plus 1. All of that over this denominator here, which is 2. That equals 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7, so it's 7 over 2. For 4 2/3, let's convert that. The denominator is 3 times the whole number 4 plus the numerator up here, which is 2, over the original denominator, which was 3. And this equals 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, so that converts to 14 over 3. So we'll set up these two improper fractions. So 3 1/2 converted to 7 over 2. So now we have 7 over 2 times, and 4 2/3, we converted that to 14 over 3. 14 thirds, so that goes here. And that's step 1. Good. Now, step 2, it says multiply across. So anytime we're multiplying fractions, we multiply across. Let's do that right now. So we're going to do 7 times 14. Let's do that on the side here. 14 times 7. Right? 7 times 4 is 28. So we'll 8 there, carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7. Plus 2, which is 9, so 98. So we have 98 as our numerator. And then 2 times 3 on the bottom is 6. 98 sixths is our answer. So we multiply across. Step 3, it says, convert the product back into a mixed number and simplify if possible. So now we have 98 sixths, and we need to convert this back to a mixed number. So if you remember, the way that we do that is we divide the numerator by the denominator. Let's do that over here. 98 divided by 6. 6 goes into 9 once. Subtract the 6, because 1 times 6 is 6. We get 3 down here. Bring down the 8. 6 goes into 38 6 times. So then now 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract that. 2, 38 minus 36 gives us 2. So 16 remainder 2 is our answer for the division. Now when we convert this into a mixed number, 16 was the total number of times that 6 could go into 98. So 16 is our whole number here. 2 was the remainder, which was left over. And we were splitting it into parts of 6, which is what we divided by. So that is our denominator there. 16 and 2/6. Almost done. Then from here, we can simplify this. 16 and 2 over 6, we can divide both of those numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And now 16 and 1/3 is our final answer. Once you have this down, what I want you to do now is pause this video and on your own complete number 1 right here. Then when you're done with number 1, or if you're stuck, you can continue the video and check your work. So pause the video and try number 1 on your own. Do that now. Okay, now you're continuing the video after you've finished, or if you're stuck, let's work it out. 2 1/3, convert that to an improper fraction. It's 3 times 2 plus 1 over 3. That gives us 7 over 3. On the right, 3 1/2, so that's 2 times 3 plus 1 over 2. That's 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 2. Now we can multiply this across. We have 7 over 3 times 7 over 2, and that equals 49 over 6. Now, converting this to a mixed number, 49 divided by 6. 6 goes into 49 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. Gives us 1 down here, remainder 1. So our final answer, 8 1/6. Okay. Once you've checked your answer for number 1, continue the rest of the page, problems 2, 3, and don't forget number 4 on the bottom. And then when you're finished with that, you can continue working on page 5 with your partner. You can go ahead and put your computer and headphones away now.